Ready? Start. Developments in India's ties with Maldives following the election of Mohammed Muizzu as president in November last year profile the country's difficulties in dealing with its neighborhood. These problems with neighboring countries are not new, but they have been exacerbated because of China's persistent assertiveness in the region. India has sought to broadly counter China's activities by seeking to bring in many neighboring countries within the fold of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. However, the neighbors are clearly finding it impossible to overlook Chinese overtures even while emphasizing their links with India. The neighborhood situation does not present a comforting picture for India, including in the security sector. India needs a cogent and enduring framework of engagement with its neighbors which harmonizes its interests and theirs. Muizu, who has a reputation of being close to China, contested the election on the plank that he would ensure the removal of Indian Defence Services contingents from Maldives soil. After his victory, he was quick to assert that he would fulfill his pledge. 2 days later, after meeting PM Modi on the sidelines of COP28 in Dubai on December 1, 2023, Muizu said India had agreed to withdraw its military personnel from Maldives. The Indian statement on the meeting was silent on the question of defense services personnel. Instead, it emphasized the two leaders' decision to set up a core group to strengthen people to people linkages, development cooperation, economic relations, climate change, and sports. Modi visited Lakshadweep early this month. He extolled its natural beauty and called on Indian tourists to visit the islands. Perhaps some Indians, while echoing Modi, need not have said that Indians should go to Lakshadweep instead of the Maldives. However, even if they did so, there was no reason for Maldivian ministers to abuse Modi and India. The Indian outrage was natural, and Muizu quickly dismissed the ministers, but the damage was done. It added to the unease caused by Muizu's demand on Indian military personnel. Muizu visited China on January 8 to 12. He was warmly welcomed by the Chinese leadership by President Xi Jinping. The China Maldives relationship was elevated to the status of a comprehensive strategic cooperative partnership. Clearly, China is playing the Maldives card with gusto, and in Muizu has a committed partner who is willing to make snide remarks about India. On his return from China, Muizu said, "We may be a small country, but that does not give you a license to bully us. It does not require any great imagination to comprehend who you refers to in this context." External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met his Maldives counterpart Musa Zamir recently in Kampala on the sidelines of the NAM summit. Jaishankar tweeted after the meeting that he had a frank conversation on India Maldives ties. The core group said Modi and Muizu has also met. The Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson said that both sides are working to find mutually workable solutions to enable continued operation of Indian aviation platforms that provide humanitarian and medevac facilities to the people of Maldives. These platforms are of the Indian Air Force and the military contingent in Maldives is for their operations. Stop.